Welcome to the video. Welcome to the video today. We're going to talk about America's #1 residual income system and what we've got going on. We have got some phenomenal things going on with American Bill Money, and it is on a tear to the upside. We're going to invite you to come in on the inside. Give me about 10-15 minutes in this video. This is going to be a good one. We're going to show you some updates, talk about some of the vision of what we've got going on, ways to kind of promote the business, and the vision for the future is just absolutely astounding. We just got our monthly residuals, and folks, I opened up that check and it was just absolutely life-changing. We're going to talk about some income examples in this video. But before I get started with the video, make sure we like the video, tap the notification bell, consider subscribing to the channel so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. We're going to talk about some income examples of what we feel that you can make with American Bill Money. As a disclaimer, folks, in life, nothing happens until you take action and you put some effort into it. But this program, anybody can do it. We have the system in place. It does the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. It works for you on autopilot, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I am absolutely ecstatic about what this program has done and the possibilities of what's possible, as I believe over the next few years, thousands of people will be joining American Bill Money. It's just that good. They created the new $50 subscription program, and it is resonating all over the country. People are resonating with the new subscription plan. People are coming in. They're getting the marketing kit. I got a lot of people immediately upgrading to the basic, which is the next level higher. Some people are coming in at the money order freedom, which is the highest level in the company. And folks, American Bill Money, you owe it to yourself to take at least 10 minutes and look how simple. Can you mail a flyer? Can you mail one of these postcards? Just one of this is a drop card. Can you mail one of our 5 different proven postcards? If you said yes, you can make $1,500 or $15,000 plus per month. Folks, we are just on the beginning of a work at home movement unlike we've ever seen in our lives. So we've got some exciting updates. Well, let me walk you around American Bill Money and show you what it's all about. Some exciting updates. Hopefully over the next week or two, I'm going to be doing a background video on what I mean, a vision video, like steps 1, 2, 3, as to what we hope to get accomplished. We already got the proven postcards that the company has provided for us. We've got a proven flyer. We've got a system that is second to none. It does the selling, the telling, explaining for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It will call, text, email your prospects. It is incredible. So we're excited about that. When you get a chance, you can come over to the YouTube channel, click on playlist. I've got a playlist of everything that I'm in, and you click onto it, American Bill Money. I got 53 videos in there ready for your viewing pleasure. You can binge watch what I think about American Bill Money. It is America's #1 income system. I believe this is my #1 residual income business. It is in my top 2 or 3 businesses that I'm in. That's where I put 55, 60, 70% of my time into American Bill Money because it has unlimited income potential. When you get a chance, go through the site, work with the calculator that's here. If you go through the examples of referring just 12 $50 customers down through 3 levels, you're looking at $18,000 a month. That's well over $250,000 a year is possible. Starts off by yourself, and then you get a person, then get a person. And what I am experiencing, and many people that are experiencing, I came in of November of last year, the team will begin to take on a life of its own. Again, you start off by yourself, and then you get a person, And when you understand the massive leverage and duplication that's in this system, you could literally lose sleep at night when it really hits you. Everything that people do unlimited width wide down through 3 levels is a 100% duplication of you. The system is growing month after month, and your job is to just get it started. Folks, this is exciting. It is the best residual income plan that I've seen to date. I've been working at home for going on 8 years now, full time at home for five going on 6 years. And I've never been super excited about this system such as this. It's a proven system anybody can do in their spare time. The marketing system, you can even get a capture page. People will, again, opt into the capture page. And it's exciting times ahead with it. 90% of the work is done for you. Our products and services can help build your income anonymously. Unlimited income potential, and people can pay with their credit card, their debit card, right on the site, folks. And people can sign up with you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Has an A+ rating with Better Business Bureau. Been in business for over 21 years, and all the sales are closed for you. Folks, this is exciting that anybody can participate with no special computer skills are needed. All you do is send a flyer or postcard. We're going to take a minute. We're going to come back to this number. Don't miss this video, folks. Don't sign off on it until we go through this call. We're going to listen to that call in just a minute. What are you getting? What is the value? What is the product? The product's going to be direct mail leads. It's a combination of opportunity buyers and seekers on pill and stick labels each and every month. This is going to come with your $50 starter subscription. We have several levels of participation. The starter, which is $50. We have the basic, which is $150 per month. We have what we call the deluxe and money order freedom. You can either join at the starter, or you can immediately go all the way to the top to money order freedom. Absolutely astounding. And if you can join money order freedom today, I highly recommend and endorsing you to join money order freedom. You're paying for the subscription, the basic or deluxe, a year ahead of time or 2 years ahead of time. Folks, this is exciting. You're going to get unlimited use of our capture page and website system, unlimited follow-up. Company's going to follow up with your prospects until they join or unsubscribe. Folks, when you get somebody in the $50 subscription, the very next week you're going to get a $50 fast start check, and they come lightning fast. You're going to get a free personalized flyer. Folks, that flyer is converting like it's nobody's business. Money-saving coupons. Money-saving coupons. Folks, you can get 30% off your first order of postcards. And then when you become a Money Order Freedom member, you will, for life, get 30% off your postcards. Let me say that again. When you become a Money Order Freedom member, you will be able to get 30% off all of your postcards for life. This is exciting. Look at these postcards, folks. We have styles A through E. That postcard's incredible. This postcard shows an example of all the postcards. Look at this. It just explains the program. It invites people to take a look. Shows the example. $50 get you started. Now anybody can get started with ABM for $50. That's what all the postcard says. This postcard here is example. Shows all the postcards we have available. Keep going. Here's another postcard that people like. Every one of them are converting. I resonate with this postcard. This is my postcard that I'm mailing. I really like that one. Some of the other leaders are resonating with that one. You get the one that you want. Income double. Let me see if I can see that a little bit more. Yep, your income right here. Beautiful postcard. And here is our drop cards. People are mailing the flyer and the drop card together. I mean, guys, get some of these drop cards. If you want to make $10,000 a month, folks, you get in, you plug in. It does not happen overnight. You get in and stay. American Bill Money is one of those legacy companies. All you do is get in and you put it on autopilot. You set it and forget it. And over the next few years, you can begin to see thousands of people join your team. That's exciting, folks, because you're going to get some rock stars that got the wind to their back, and they're going to go out. You're going to get one person that's go out and get you 100 people. You're going to get one person go out and get you 50 people. You're going to get one person that's go out and get you 300 people. There are people joining our team that are just blazing the trail. Folks, get excited. Look at this direct mail flyer that we have at our fingertips. This thing is converting. I mean, like nobody's business. Mail this flyer, guys. And let me show you what we have done. Look at that. People can fill out the back. That's the front side. Here's the back. That's the front side. Here's the back side. People can fill out cash, money order, debit card. Folks, we made it simple for everybody. The average person can win, even if they don't have a computer. Folks, this is exciting. And you can get started for $50. Where in the world can you make, let me go back to the income example of what we feel that you can make. Let's get back over there. $18,000 a month. Folks, we are going to have people on our team that can get here. It's possible. It is absolutely 100% possible if you believe. If you have belief in yourself and your business, belief overcomes any challenges that you have in your life. And just all you do is believe it. Let's go back over here. We took a step further. I'm going to show you the money order freedom flyer that we have. Look at this, guys. We have built a team around American Bill Money. We have a dream team. It's additional what we do for our team. This is not sponsored by the company, but we have a conference call on every Tuesday, every first Tuesday, second, and the fourth Tuesday. This cover letter is to be mailed with your flyer. You can mail this cover letter with your flyer or with your postcard. And folks, I have found out that the flyer is already converting. And when I put this into it, it's converting even that much more. Folks, this is an incredible system. Put the flyer and the cover letter together, folks. Request it from me. If you're on our team, we will make you a cover letter. People will listen to this call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're building the Dream Team community. You're in business for yourself, but you're never by yourself. That is exciting. And we have a access to the recording of the call. And people can listen to the recording. I would encourage you, if you're on the Dream Team, folks, get people on the call. Encourage others to come to call. We invite leaders to talk on the call. If you're a member and you want to share a testimonial on the call, come on the call and share it with us. Let us know and we'll put you on the call. Folks, this is exciting times ahead. Here's the numbers. We'll get you the same cover letter to go with your flyer. Look at this, folks. The one way we can advertise our business is in magazine advertising. We are advertising in different magazines. There is Liberty Magazine. There is Shore to Shore, has a phenomenal magazine. Side Hustle Guru magazine is incredible. Home Business Advertiser is incredible. Small Potatoes magazine. We're placing full page ads. We're placing 2-inch ads. We're placing 1-inch ads, 3-inch ads, half a page ads. Folks, when you want massive results, you pull all the stops out and you treat that thing like a business. People go to their jobs every day. Work on your business like a business and like a job. Folks, you will look up and in a month down the road, 2, 3, 4 months down the road from now, you will begin to be pleasantly surprised with how your business is beginning to grow. And this is just one of the ways that we're advertising. Let's look through the magazine real quick. Then I'll get back to the call. Give me about 5 more minutes and then I'll be off this call here. Look at this magazine. It has a lot of businesses in here. I'm in this one. I'm in that one also. I'm in MAP. My automatic pay, the power of giving. Look at this. Let's keep looking through. Look at this, folks. If you join from this video, let's use Rosette Evans. Rosette Evans. Let's put Rosette Evans' ID number 4722. 4722. Let's put that under the video. If you see this video today or in the future, join using Rosette Evans' link to join. And you can get started with American Bill Money. Look at her flyer. Her information's here. Her ABM flyer, her cover letter. This is direct mail done right. Folks, this is how I was able to look at my monthly check and my jaw dropped. I'm telling you. And folks, we take massive action. Folks, everybody that joined my business, it does not join from a video. Most of my signups are coming in from the flyer and offline marketing. I also run solo ads. You can run safeless ads. Folks, the opportunity to grow your business is virtually endless. Here is another one of our flyers. A sidebar note for American Bill Money. Big shout out to Wendell. Wendell joined me. Look, Timothy Thomas is Wendell. Wendell joined I'm sorry. Airmail Income Infinity, a phenomenal program. I'll talk about it on another video. Woo! This is exciting, folks. This is exciting. Up to $500 payments. Thais is in this program.